What do you mean? What do I mean by that? Only God knows the evil you are plotting this water.
Achọrọ m iwetara unu tata ọtụtụ ilu Igbo. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eli okwu. Gee ntị ka ịnụ ilu dị iche iche.
Wicked woman. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? What do I mean by that? Only God knows the evil you are plotting this water to me. Mazi Okafor, what is wrong with you? You want to blind my eye? Yes, I will blind you. One day you tell everybody what you did to your first son. What? Mazi Okafor, I will deal with you in this village. There is nothing hidden under the sun. Ha! I will deal with you in this village.
Onwegi onye ga-akọwarụ nke ọma ihe gbasara amụsụ karịa nwaanyị amụsụ taburu diọkpara ya. That means that nobody can give a better illustration of witchcraft than the woman who used her first son for witchcraft. Only those who know you can kill you. Ọ bụ naanị nwata na-eti aka ewegara okenye maka ka ọ na-azọtara ya ume. Only a child will break palm kernels and take to the elders so that it can be protecting or preserving the stones. This means that you should make ways for your future by being honest, being loyal, and being focused. One good turn deserves another. Kanya si weta aka, chi ga-abọ. No matter how long the night is, you will still experience the morning. So no matter what you're passing through in life, there's still going to be a dawn. And this dawn is going to be for breakthrough. Don't give up. No matter the trials you're passing through today, there will be a light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you for watching this beautiful episode of Igbo Proverb Friday with Chioma Oji. Stay tuned next Friday for more beautiful episodes.
Please like, share, and repost. Please share and follow.
Thank you so much. See you next Friday. Bye.
Happy new month, everyone, from Adandi Igbo.